Alright, hello everyone. I know this is like a goofy long time after Bonfire night. 8 days actually, it's been 8 days. Maybe 9 if you're watching this in like a goofy place. But I'm gonna be doing the Bonfire night special. I promised that in one of my videos, never really came around. The reason why is Saturday servers were on, I celebrated Bonfire night on Thursday at school. School equals Friday if done beforehand. So yeah, I was doing that at school, and then Saturday service came along on the actual day, so I couldn't do it, and then I just didn't find a time to actually do it. As you can see, I'm setting it up right now. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna be doing what I'm usually talking about, complaining and stuff. But yeah, the Saturday servers always happen. I mentioned it like quite a few times. Saturday servers happened yesterday, actually. I know, surprise. But they did actually. The Saturday servers did happen, which is kind of annoying. I don't like Saturday servers. I don't think anyone really likes Saturday servers. I mean, what is there to like about Saturday servers? It's just like, oh, cool. The servers are down again. Which isn't very pleasant if you're just trying to play Roblox without any troubles. So yeah, that's why there wasn't really a Bonfire night special. But I'm making it now while I'm talking in the background. And if it wasn't for Saturday servers, you would just have to deal with a goofy ass short clip like early fireworks. Which, it's crazy to think that was 9 days ago. It kind of feels longer, if you know what I mean. So, yeah. I have to get the fireworks in right now, because they're kind of explosives, I suppose. Just all my fireworks and all my TNT and stuff. I'm also going to have to put PvP mode on. So, PvP mode on. I'm going to keep this open to see if anyone joins. I hope not. So I'm placing all of this. I'm going to try and keep talking because my parents are watching a goofy ass show. And it's awfully loud. Hopefully they heard that so they turn it down. Because like, I can hear that pretty loud with my headphones on. Thank you. I see the volume thing on the TV. Yeah, that's a good volume. Thank you. I'm going to add the button wherever that goofy button is. Where is it? You know, just any activating thing will work. Like, I'll connect it all to a timer first. Never mind, I won't actually. It'll take too long to link everything up. Alright, everything connect there, please. Then we're gonna add the TNT. There's 105 regular TNT that we're gonna blow up with the lever. And then the reason I have PvP mode on is for the other TNT. So, we all know how Bonfire Night goes. This guy, like, secretly puts TNT in. This is definitely secretly putting TNT in. I don't see a single thing that's not secretive about all this TNT. So I'm gonna put, some potion. Oh my god, why did I keep going out with a special? I'm gonna put some potions wherever they are down. Like, potions. Maybe a bit further away. And also the barrels of TNT. They're up here. I can't believe I've been talking for 4 minutes already. I'm just trying to, like, do this. And then we immediately got, like, 4 minutes activated. Like, I don't want to go back to school, man. I just did 10 gallons of homework. I don't know why I said gallons. I'm pretty sure, like, homework isn't measured in gallons. It's measured in dimes. Thank you very much. So, yeah, let the goofy music play. Yay. Alright, yeah, that's cool. Alright, I don't know why that changed fine taser. Alright, thank you for watching. You might hear that crusty, dusty, musty noise for a little bit. Yeah, crusty, musty noise. But thanks for watching. I know this video is 8 days late. I just wanted to get it over with. I couldn't be bothered with having it even more late. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video, which might be today.